Hello and welcome back to MJM Detailing Diaries, where today we're going to be taking a look at that beautiful Audi from a couple of weeks ago where we did the exterior clean, and today we're going to have a go at the inside. Now it's not that bad inside, there's a bit of grub and mud around and the car's well used, and to be fair, underneath all that grub and mud, as you saw on the exterior, it's actually a beautiful motor. We're going to take a look at three products today. That's the Detail Freaks Complete Interior Cleaner, the Zirconite Leather Cleaner and the ODK Cabin Interior Dressing. So sit back, relax, and let's get into this one. So with the doors open, we can take a look around, and it's reminiscent of many family cars that are well used. There's a bit of mud, a few leaves, stones from car parks, dust, general dirt. The seats are a bit shiny and could do with a clean up. The door cards have got mud flicked up them from shoes as people get in and out. And the back, you can see where the kids have been in there, footprints, general bits of grub and grime, but nothing too serious and nothing too difficult to tackle. The boot is usually home to a cage for some dogs for transportation, and as we get into the footwell, oh, someone's been on the Haribos, but you see it's just general grime, general dirt that you'd expect to see in any family car. Seats are a bit dusty, few crumbs on them, and again, that shininess shows through. Air vents, glove box and things, just the normal wear and tear that you'd expect to see, and a bit of dust around the centre console. And the typical crumbs that you find in the cup holders. Yummy. Those pedals need some attention too. Yuck. So with the dirt and debris all hoovered away, it's time to give the Detail Freaks Complete Interior Cleaner a go. And the first thing to notice as you spray this down is the amazing lime scent that blooms from it. It's a great cleaning ability too. You see under the hog's hair brush, it rubs in nice and easily, creates a light foam which is easy to wipe away with a damp rag and leave you with a lovely clean surface to work on with the dressing. Here again you'll see that complete interior cleaner just munch through the dirt that was on this door seal, and a quick wipe off and a lovely clean surface to work with afterwards. So this complete interior cleaner is available to you from the Detail Freaks website, and I bought this one back in the summer. I've been using it, and I tell you what, I cleaned the kids' pram with it and it's done a fantastic job. So it's one I'll go back to. Only drawback is it's a non-dilute, so it's ready to use. So when you've got other chemicals in your arsenal, then it could be considered to be slightly more expensive. But overall, it does a terrific job, and the scent is amazing. So here we'll rattle through the cleaning of the steering wheel, and rather than spray the product onto the wheel, I've put it into the brush and I'm just brushing it around the stitching and the outside of the wheel. I'll wipe it off again with that damp cloth and give it a buff down with a longer pile microfiber just to finish it off. So on to dressing those plastics, and today's product of choice is the ODK cabin. We reviewed it on the channel before. Not only does it smell lovely, but it does a fantastic job, and I've specifically chosen this one today to darken the plastics down to complement those black seats, and I think it looks terrific. I really love using this product. It spreads out nice and evenly. Like I said, it smells great, but the finish it leaves is absolutely cracking, and nearly everybody comments on it when they come to grab their car. Down into the pedal box, and my usual method for cleaning these is a few sprays of product per pedal. Grab hold of the cordless drill with a brush on, give it a scrub around, and then give it a wipe over the cloth. And you'll notice here specifically I've used myself a different cloth, because let's face it, you're never really quite sure what's been stepped in, and you don't want to be rubbing that around other parts of the interior. Next I moved over to clean those shiny seats, and the product of choice today is the Zirconite leather cleaner, and it's really the purpose I made the video, because I just wanted to show you how good this stuff is. I find it absolutely fantastic. A few sprays and a rubbing with that soft leather brush, a wipe over with a clean damp microfiber, and then a nice towel to give it a dry afterwards, and it leaves the interior looking absolutely fantastic. It really does work on those seats, and you'll see when I show you the stitching after I peel the tape off that the product works just as you would expect. It smells fantastic, like fresh new leather, and it really does do the job it's supposed to do, and it's one I'd wholeheartedly recommend that anyone watching this video gives a go. Yeah, it's not the cheapest product out there, but my goodness me, it just works, and I love the stuff. And here we are, that big reveal. We'll peel the tape back, give it a quick wipe over with that orange towel, and I'll zoom in and show you just how good it's done. Now, there you go. Look for yourselves. You can see the shininess has gone, the stitching appears clean and well maintained. There's a little bit of damage on the seats, but overall, just look at how good a job that's done. You really can't argue with that. It's clean. So now I'm going to have to crack on and get the rest of the seats done. I'll speed this up and put some nice music on so that you can join me on the journey. And there it is, an example of the muck removed by the leather cleaner as you wipe it away with the damp cloth. I've slowed it down so you can take a quick look, but we'll move on. And here it is, the obligatory centre console clean. Generally the place that you pick up most of the oils from your skin, on arm oils on that rest. And I'll just give this a quick clean down, peel that tape back and let you take a look for yourself. Like I said, I thoroughly enjoyed using this product, and it's one that I will definitely without question be returning to. So the evidence is clear, and you can see for yourself that this leather cleaner really is that good. Now, enough of me harping on about it and how good it is. Let's get the rest of this interior cleaned down so I can show you some pictures of how the car looked when it was finished. And so we come to the end, and doesn't it look fantastic? It just goes to show that with a few decent products and a bit of elbow grease, you can get some terrific results. Just to summarise, today I used the Detail Freaks Complete Interior Cleaner, I used the ODK cabin as the dressing, and I used the Zirconite leather cleaner to get those seats looking clean and fresh. And that's it. Enjoy having a look around, and I'll see you here next time for more content like this. And whilst you're here, don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe, because it really does help the channel grow. Last and final thing is to say thanks to Stu Preston for continuously pumping out the cracking music to accompany my videos. I'll see you all soon, and have a great Christmas.